You plug in your USB drive or SD card and Windows won't open it. So you try to format it. And you get this. Windows was unable to complete the format. Most people assume the drive is dead. It's probably not. But if you keep forcing it the wrong way, you risk losing everything on it for good. So watch this tutorial first. I'll show you how to fix a drive that won't format using simple and effective methods. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome to 4DDIG. This error usually comes down to a few things: write protection, file system corruption, bad sectors, or a partition table issue. The following steps will wipe your drive. If you have important files trapped inside, skip to the bonus section at the end of this video right now to rescue them first. Ready? Let's dive in. Method 1. Delete and rebuild the partition. Right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. You might have already tried right-clicking the drive and hitting Format. The reason that fails is that Windows is trying to format a partition that's already broken. So instead of fighting it, let's delete the partition entirely and rebuild it from scratch. Find your USB drive in the list. It'll likely show up as raw or have an error state. Right-click on it and select Delete Volume. Windows will warn you that all data on the drive will be erased. Hit Yes. The partition is gone. You'll now see the space marked as unallocated. That's exactly what we want. Right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Follow the on-screen wizard, just keep clicking Next and leave the default settings unless you need something specific. This creates a fresh, clean partition on the drive. Once it's done, open File Explorer and check if the drive shows up and works normally. Method 2. Force a clean rebuild with DISKPART. Still having issues? Try the DISKPART command. This erases everything on the drive. Make absolutely sure you select the right disk number. Search CMD and run IDIS Administrator. Next, type DISKPART. Then, list disk. This shows every drive connected to your computer. Your USB drive will usually appear last in the list. Double-check by confirming the storage size. Type Select Disk 1. Replace one with your actual disk number. Take your time here. Selecting the wrong disk is not fun. Next, type this command to remove any write protection on the drive. Type Clean. Wipes the entire partition table. Next, we'll create a new partition by typing Create Partition Primary and pressing Enter. Type Format FS equals NTFS Quick. This will start formatting the USB. Then type Assign, Exit. Once that's done, open File Explorer. Your drive should now show up clean and fully accessible. Bonus, recover data with 4DDIG Data Recovery. If you want your files back before you wipe the drive, or perhaps you've already run the clean command and realized too late that you didn't have a backup. This is where 4DDIG Data Recovery comes in. It can restore data lost due to accidental deletion, formatting, corruption, or system crashes. Think of it as a look inside the drive before you do anything irreversible. Just connect the drive, run a scan, and it goes straight to the raw data underneath, past the corrupted file system, past the partition errors, and shows you what's actually still recoverable. We offer a 3-day free trial in the description. Give it a try. Select what you want, hit Recover, and save them to a different drive, not the same one you're recovering from. And that's it. If this video saved your drive or your data, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech fixes and data recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.